Wood sawing. This fundamental process is the very first step in transforming a raw log into a piece of fine furniture, a foundational craft that has been honed over centuries. It's where the journey of creation truly begins, shaping the potential locked within the grain. The rhythmic sound of the saw, the scent of fresh-cut timber filling the air, it's a sensory experience that speaks to the heart of woodworking. From the initial cuts that break down a massive log to the precision shaping of individual components, sawing is the art and science of revealing the beauty of wood. It requires a deep understanding of the material, a steady hand, and the right tool for the job. Whether it's a traditional hand saw or a powerful industrial machine, the goal is the same: to cut with accuracy, efficiency, and respect for the natural resource. The journey starts with the primary breakdown of logs, a crucial stage known as rough sawing. This is where large logs harvested from sustainably managed forests are processed into more manageable planks, boards, and beams. The most common method for this is using a bandsaw mill or a large circular saw. The sawyer, an expert in reading the wood, carefully assesses each log, looking at its size, shape, and grain patterns. Their decisions at this stage are critical, as they determine how the wood's best features will be displayed in the final product. Different sawing techniques can be employed to achieve specific results. Plane sawing, the most common and economical method, creates a beautiful, classic cathedral grain pattern. Quarter sawing, a more complex process, yields straight, linear grain patterns that are highly stable and resistant to warping, making it ideal for high-end furniture like tabletops and cabinet doors. Rift sawing is another premium technique that produces a unique, speckled grain, prized for its durability and aesthetic appeal. Each cut is a strategic choice, balancing yield with beauty. Once the rough-sawn lumber has been properly dried and seasoned to stabilize its moisture content, it moves into the secondary processing phase. This is where the real artistry of furniture making begins to take shape. The large planks are further refined into the specific components needed for a piece of furniture: legs, aprons, panels, and frames. A variety of saws are used here, each with a specialized purpose. The table saw is the workhorse of the modern workshop, used for ripping boards to the correct width and cross-cutting them to length with incredible precision. Its adjustable blade allows for creating angled cuts or bevels and grooves for joinery. The miter saw, or chop saw, excels at making precise crosscuts, especially for angled joints like those found in picture frames or decorative molding. For creating curved shapes, such as the elegant legs of a cabrio chair or the arch of a headboard, the bandsaw and the jigsaw are indispensable. Their thin, flexible blades can navigate intricate contours, allowing the woodworker to bring fluid, organic designs to life. Precision and safety are paramount in all sawing operations. A cut that is off by even a fraction of a millimeter can compromise the structural integrity and aesthetic of an entire piece. Woodworkers rely on a variety of jigs, fences, and guides to ensure every cut is perfectly straight, square, and repeatable. Digital readouts and laser guides on modern machinery have further enhanced this accuracy, allowing for tolerances that were once unimaginable. Safety, however, is the most important consideration. Saws are powerful tools that command respect. Proper training, the use of safety guards, push sticks, and personal protective equipment like safety glasses and hearing protection are non-negotiable in any professional workshop. A clean, well-organized workspace also plays a vital role in preventing accidents. By prioritizing a culture of safety, craftsmen can focus on their art without unnecessary risk, ensuring that the only thing being shaped is the wood itself. From the forest to the finished product, the process of sawing wood is a testament to the skill, precision, and artistry of the furniture maker. It is a dialogue between the craftsman and the material, a careful process of revealing the hidden character within each piece of timber. Every cut is a decision, every board a piece of potential. The saw is not just a tool for division. It is an instrument of creation. It is through this fundamental act of sawing that a simple log is transformed into a functional work of art, an heirloom piece of furniture that can be cherished for generations, carrying with it the story of its creation. The sound of the saw is the first note in the symphony of furniture manufacturing, a powerful and essential step in the timeless craft of woodworking.